Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super important for anyone new to investing in the stock market. We're going over 5 big mistakes beginners often make and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, skipping research. Imagine you're about to buy a game or a phone. You'd probably read reviews and do some research first, right? Investing in the stock market is the same. Before you buy a stock, make sure you know what the company does, how it's doing financially, and what's going on with it in the news. Don't just follow trends. Find out if the company is a good choice for you. Mistake number 2, following the crowd. It's tempting to buy a stock just because everyone else is talking about it. But remember, just because something is popular doesn't mean it's a smart investment for you. Instead of just going with the crowd, make your own decisions based on what you've learned and what fits your goals. Mistake number 3, putting all your money into one stock. This is like putting all your allowance into one game. If that game turns out to be a dud, you're out of luck. Spread your money across different stocks and investments. This way, if one doesn't do well, you still have other investments that might be doing great. Mistake number 4, panicking when prices drop. The stock market can be up and down, and it's easy to get worried when you see your investments lose value. But don't panic. Investing is a long-term thing. Stick to your plan and don't make quick decisions based on short-term drops. Be patient and think about the long run. Mistake number 5, not having a plan. If you just dive into investing without a plan, it's like starting a road trip without a map. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve with your investments. Decide how much risk you're okay with and plan how you'll invest your money. Having a plan helps you stay on track and avoid making mistakes based on emotions. So those are the 5 big mistakes to watch out for when you're starting with the stock market. Avoiding these will help you make smarter decisions and set you up for success. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and means we can keep making awesome videos just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!